Say hi. Today is siopaw day. We are making some siopaw, bola siopaw, homemade. Yan. And made the filling, which is a bola siopaw with Chinese sausage, egg, ground pork. What is that one? Green onions and garlic powder and 5 spice with sesame oil. Ayun po, gumagawa si Magnolia. She's good at that.
Buti na lang, natutong mag-bake itong isa namin.
She does the pastry, which is the
Dough.
dough.
Ng
She makes the dough.
siopaw. Yan lang.
And then Anne makes the filling, cooks the filling. Ito po, filling na this now.
Bola-bola pili.
Bola.
They don't need the interpreter.
It's a pork
Bun.
bun.
Yeah.
It's really good.
So this is
That is the one with the filling inside already.
So we will steam it.
We will steam it for how many minutes? And how many minutes?
Mga 15 minutes. It says in the recipe, 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 it is. We will see the result later.
Oh, I have to cover this.
Oh, cover
We
it.
cover it so it will
I have to cover
expand.
this.
Para mas
You have to let it
that's the
rest
filling.
for...
It's quite big.
You have to let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
You have to rest the dough. A lot of resting on the dough. So you'll have a fluffy dough.
You know, and how she makes her egg roll. It's like a burrito. Then on this one, it's like a baseball. That's what we were saying. It's so huge. It's all fillings. When you buy them, they're so small and it's expensive when you buy them in the store, in the bakery.
How much per piece?
It could be about $3 because empanada is $2.95.
That's too much.
You know, that's why you don't buy anymore.
I'm too cheap.
We're tired of paying.
Too cheap. I'll just
Make our own. And it's better, it tastes better. A lot better. Believe me.
So this is our
Sarap.
siopaw.
This is really good. We tried it already. We fried the filling before and made the balls. And it's really good.
Look at that.
Look at that. Okay. We're waiting. Okay. You might need to make some more dough.
Yeah, I will make some more.
Make some more dough because we have a lot of fillings, balls. We will make some more.
Kailangan i-this para hindi
Yeah. Oh, there you go. That's huge.
It is.
You have to wait till it rests and it will get bigger. That's why we covered it, the one that are done, because it will expand.
You have to let it rest.
Let it rest and then we steam it again for how many minutes?
15 minutes.
15 only? Are you sure?
Yeah, 15 minutes.
Okay. Oh. Next time we'll do a different kind, asado. We call it asado, which is like a beef stew with no sauce. That's another kind of filling that we can use.
Pwede na natin i-load dyan.
A lot of work, but it's good.
Yeah, better than buying.
Better than buying. You don't know what they put in it, so
Plus,
this
it
one
doesn't
you know
taste-
what it is.
It doesn't taste good.
No. Ganda. That's a very nice dough. Soft, huh?
Yeah, nice and soft.
That's good.
Of course, I make good dough.
That's our baker. I cook the dishes, she does the baking, and Ann does the filling. Oh, and there you go. Later on.
Gamitin pa to at singaw. Kaya
Yeah, put it back. Put some water already so it's ready for steaming.
Ito siguro.
Not yet.
Siyempre yan eh.
Okay, okay.
15 to 20
Oh,
minutes.
not yet.
Is it getting big?
Yeah.
Open it.
Open sesame.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. My dad will love this. He loves stuff like this. This, hopia, mungo hopia. Anything like a merienda type, he likes.
The hopia takes a long time to make.
Next time we'll make the hopia
Oh my
live.
God, that's a long
I
time.
know. Yeah, we will make a hopia. Kiss ang kamay ko.
That's a good recipe. Ganda ng recipe na ako.
Oo.
Really good. I have to make another batch.
Yeah, make another batch. We have too much filling. I don't think. Are you going to make a sauce? There's a sauce on the recipe. I think I have a Hoshan soy sauce.
Kailangan natin.
It's outside.
Hi, Baba. Come on.
Okay,
Come on, Baba.
Okay.
that's it. And then we will show you
No,
guys
it's
the...
still. We'll show it again once it's finished.
We'll cover it.
You cover.
Ganda eh.
It's very soft.
Yeah, the dough.
The dough.
Yeah, that's a good recipe. Let me make some more.
Okay, that's it? Okay. Okay, later guys, later.